So to hide the horizon line, we're just going to go put a bunch of bushes in the back. Okay. You can also have a backdrop photo that comes in, but even the photo, you don't want it to go down too low. It really depends on the picture you have. If you really have a great angle and there's something there, it will actually look okay. But for the most part, I'm going to kind of cover up this horizon line a little bit. So to do that, I'm going to go to my site plan. I'm going to introduce a new shrub. Now I need to go kind of back beyond. So I'm going to turn the cropping off temporarily. Okay. And I'm going to add some shrubs. So let's go back down to my tropical trees here. Tropical shrub plant. So crane lily. Okay, I'm not even sure what a crane lily is, but I'm going to pick it and I'm going to place one about right here. Okay, escape, escape. Now I'm going to take that and I'm going to edit the type, make it a little bit bigger. So I'm going to duplicate that. I'm going to make it about 5 feet. Let's go 6 feet. Okay, 6 feet high. And if you want to see what it looks like, you can pick in here. Okay, and you can also pick in here, and it's going to show you the kind of the rendered look of it. Okay, and you can change that too. So hit OK and OK. Now I'm going to do that tiling thing again. I'm going to go to my view and say close all extra windows. Then I'm going to open up my 3D perspective view and I'll tile those two. Okay, so now I can see over here, there's my little bush. Okay, and here's my view. Okay, I can't see it yet. Okay, the idea is to bring it into the view and make it big enough so I can start to copy. So watch what I'm going to do. Pick on here and I'm going to start to nudge this over. There it is, coming in. See? So now it's in there. Now I'm going to change the size. I'm going to say okay, duplicate, and we'll make it a 10 feet high. Okay, and we'll make it 10 feet. Hit apply, hit OK, changes it there, changes it here. Now I'm going to edit and duplicate that again. Okay, and I'll make it a 14 footer. Okay, 14, hit OK. So that, now I have a 14, okay, and I have a 10 footer and a 6 footer. Okay, so watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to zoom in here. Okay, I'm going to take these big palm trees and hide them temporarily because they're in my way. In fact, this one I really don't even need because it doesn't even seem to be coming in the picture. That one does. So now what I want to do is take this guy and hide it. Take this guy and hide it. Take this guy and hide it. Notice it's only hiding it in this view. Now, here's my guy, and I'm going to say create similar, but I'm going to switch to be a 10 footer. So I'm going to put a 10 footer right there beside it, and we should see it maybe come in the picture. Escape, escape. It's not in the picture. Move it over there. There it is. Okay, so now I'm going to take and zoom in, and I'm going to take this guy using my control button on the keyboard. I'm going to copy one over. All of a sudden, this guy's going to be in there. I'm going to nudge it into place. Here it comes. You can see it in my 3D view over here. Okay, so I'm really just trying to block in that space. Okay, and take this guy, move him over. Take this guy, move him. Oh, a little too far. See how I'm covering up that horizon line? That's all I'm trying to do. Okay, and you can put another one in here. Take this one, use my control button, and copy another one right back there. Click out. There he is. Oops. Pick on here, nudge it over. Okay, make this one bigger. Edit, duplicate. Oops, I didn't want to put a 2 in behind it. I'm going to rename that. I went too fast. 14, 15, 16, 17 foot. Okay. 17. Hit apply. Hit OK. So now I have a little bigger one there, and I'm going to nudge it. Nudge, nudge, nudge. Okay. Then I'm going to take it using my control button and copy another one right there. Okay. Nudge, nudge, nudge. And all I'm doing is creating this crowded little area. Okay. And then I'm going to raise this up in the air. I'm going to say plus 1 foot. It's going to move it up. I'm going to move it up another foot, 2 feet. Okay. I'm just trying to create some And then I'm going to take this guy using my control button and copy another one. And then this guy, I'm going to raise it up by 5 feet. Okay? All that just to kind of create that little cluster. But now when I do this, that might end up looking kind of dumb, but I've got that kind of covered up. Now guess what I can do? And do the same thing over here. Maybe I'll use a different tree. Zoom in. Okay, and there's different ways of doing this, of course. I know I got to come off that corner somewhere. So let's go back down, pick a different shrub. Tropical, let's see what we have. Japanese fern, jungle flame. Don't know what that one is. Can't create kind of element in this. Oh, I'm in the wrong view. Pick in here to make sure this is the right view, then drag it in. Okay, click. There it is. Oh boy, not too big. Pick on here, edit, duplicate. Let's make it 10 feet high. 10 feet is just the name. 10 feet is the parameter. Hit OK. Move that over. Hit OK. Ah, much better. Now let's drop it down a little bit. Let's go -4 inches. Okay, so you don't even see the, I don't even want to see the bottom. -1 foot. Sit it right on the ground. Click out. Click in here. Not too bad. I would even go down lower. I would go -1 foot 4. Okay, now I'm going to take this guy in this view, holding my control button, copy it over. Okay, and then copy another one. Okay, the one in the back, I'm going to click on here, edit. You know what I'm going to do? Duplicate 15 feet. And change the number, 15 feet. Hit OK. Makes it higher. Click out. Okay, kind of covers that up. Maybe rotate one of these guys around. Rotate, click, click. Take the big guy, rotate the other way. Good. Now, let's close that off. Double click. There's my 3D view. See, now we're getting rid of that horizon line on the edges. Now when we drop in our background, it's going to look wonderful. Okay.